Michelle here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make apple nachos. I've already sliced up my apples, as you can see. But what you'll need to do first is make sure you have your adults' permission before you start anything, especially when you need to cut apples. You may need to ask for their help. So, it's a good fun thing to do with your adult person or friends. So first things first, you'll need to cut your apples. I have this handy dandy apple corer, and I use that to slice my apples. Apple slicer, or you can use a knife. Your adult can use a knife. And then you'll put them on your plate. I put a little lemon juice on top of them and kind of toss them around. It helps with them turning brown, so they won't turn as brown as fast. They're still edible, they're just not quite as pretty. So, I have several toppings. I have milk chocolate and white chocolate. I have some mini marshmallows. I have some chocolate chips. And I have some popcorn. You can top with whatever you have at home. You can put peanut butter. You can heat up some almond butter if you don't have a nut allergy. You can top with nuts if you'd like. You can do different types of chocolate chips. You could do M&Ms. I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle on our white chocolate. So that way we'll have a nice little somewhat healthy snack. Do the milk chocolate. I'm gonna put some chocolate chips. These are just some I had at home. You can do whatever type of chocolate chips. I know they have dark chocolate, white chocolate. They even have peanut butter chips and caramel chips. Ooh. Be careful not to spill. It might get a little messy. Again, another reason why you want your adults' permission before starting anything. Put a little popcorn. And we'll put a few marshmallows. And there you have apple nachos. I used about 3 apples to get this big of a plate. And you can share with friends. You can eat it all yourself if you like. That's a lot of apples. And you can top with anything. Like I said, we have marshmallows and chocolate chips and popcorn. But if you want to top it with other fruit, if you want to top it with some nuts, it's up to you. Whatever you have, that will go nicely with apples. So I'm going to go enjoy my snack. Hopefully y'all make a tasty snack too. And thanks for joining me today. Goodbye.